it's getting cold out here, guys. Woo! That wind is cruising. So this is the second flight of the Floss with the with-throw tune onto it. I put higher camera tilt onto it. Let's go ahead and see what we're running and what we get. And then I got my Hawk 5 here that I want to run on the same camera angle and see the difference in the smoothness of both of them. Comparing notes, basically. Oh, it's getting nice out here. Freaking cold. Come on, sunshine.
I've come so far since the days when I would lose myself for life. Even on the reminder why I feel this way, I feel like I'm drowning, drowning in the rain. You give me more than I could take, more than I could take. Never had a heart like this before. I hear my broken pieces beg the question, how can I give you anymore? You give me more than I could take, more than I could take. You give me more than I could take, more than I could take.
Not bad at all. I like it. The camera angle's just a little bit too high for me, I think. Just need to pinch her down just a touch. We'll get you unplugged. But man, not bad at all. Not at all. I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and run the Hawk 5. You see the camera angle on that bad boy. Get you that level so you can see that thing. It's pointing up in the air, so if I don't feel right, I'm gonna land it because I don't want to crash it and smash it all up. So let's see.